Well, it's the end of the day. We got the two reinforcing brackets welded in. Looks pretty darn good. And I spent the remainder of the day stripping the underside of the hood. So that's all stripped, and then I sandblasted all the brackets, all the corners. Now all that remains is to come out tomorrow with the DA and sand it down, and then we'll put her in epoxy primer, and that will be the last stripping, sandblasting that I will do, because they will all have been done. So that's where we're at today. Later.